Good morning children, hope you all are doing good. So this class again I am going to continue the lesson number 3, that is force, work and energy. So this class I am going to explain about what is meant by energy and the types of energy. Then how the energy we can convert into a different types of energy. Okay, also I am going to discuss about textbook exercise children. So I want to give a small recap whatever I have done in the last class. So last class I have explained about what is meant by work, okay, and using simple machines how we can make a work very easy. Okay, also I have explained about, like I have given a definition for energy, what is meant by energy, the ability or a capacity to for our body to do a certain work, it is called as a energy. There is a different types of energy. I have explained about heat energy, wind energy and water energy. I will explain once again. The heat energy is nothing but which are the hot object will be there, no? So it will be taking the energy using a fuel. Okay, without petrol the car and two-wheeler it is not possible to move from one place to another place. Whenever the engine it will get heat up, no? So it will take as a fuel as a petroleum. Okay, so that's how we can able to see the movement of vehicle. And second one is a wind energy. In wind also we can able to get electricity. When the windmill it will be moved, no, it will be rotating that windmill. Okay, in that speed, okay, the wind force also it will be more. So due to that we can able to get electricity. Using this windmill we can able to grind the floors. Okay, whatever the rice or maize, whatever you want to make it as a floor, you can able to make it. Also using this we can able to grind the grains, and from this turbines, the turbines whenever the will be having a like long fan like structure will be there. So here they will be having a fans. Okay, when the wind it will go, when the wind flow it will be more, no, this fans it will be rotating, keep on rotating. When it will be rotating, no, it will generate the electricity. Okay, and next one is the water energy. In water also we have lot of energy. Due to that we can able to get the electricity from the water. It is called as a hydroelectricity. See, when the water it is falling from the dam, okay, so it will be releasing certain energy due to that. Okay, so there is a variation in the circulation. Okay, there is a variation in that. So also it will help to rotate the turbines. Okay, using this turbines we can able to generate the water and electricity. It is called as a hydroelectricity. And fourth one, that is electrical energy. Using energy obtained from electricity, it is called as a electrical energy. Okay, see, whenever you want to iron your cloth, okay, you will use a iron box. You used to plug the pin on a board, there we are getting electricity. So automatically the iron box it will get heated over there. Okay, so like this the electricity, it is which are the things we are using electricity. Okay, they are using energy as electricity. This type of energy is called as a electrical energy. So using iron we can able to iron our cloth, television, okay, and geyser also it will get heat the water, and refrigerator will keep the pools very cool. Next, electrical energy is used to light electric bulbs and to run in a different electrical appliance like geyser, iron, refrigerator, television, etc. Using energy of electricity, okay, will be using energy of electricity, whatever the force, whatever the work it is happening, it is called as a electrical energy. Okay, and second and fifth one is the sound energy. The sound energy is nothing but, see, whenever the loudspeaker and all they will be dying next to your house, right, or whenever the light thunder it will happen, so that time you can able to see there is a vibration in a window or a door. Okay, so this it is called as a sound energy. The sound in the form of energy experience that when a glass or pans of a windows and door vibrate due to the loud sound. Loud sound is produced by the loudspeaker or thunder. Okay, so whenever you will be listening a very folk song with very hard heavy music and sound, automatically even you will be getting a certain vibrations in your body. You can able to feel that. Okay, so some people maybe for that sound they will be doing a dance also, or some people they will be enjoying that, and some people they will be getting a vibration in their body. So this is called as a sound energy. Okay, so for example, whenever they will be using a loudspeaker or whenever we are getting a thunder, we can able to see the vibration around window and doors. Okay, so it is called as a sound energy. And next one is the solar energy. The energy is obtained from a sun is called as a solar energy. We will be having a solar water heater and solar cooker in our houses, right? Okay, so this solar water heater, it will make the water heat. It will absorb all the sunlight. Okay, it will absorb all sun energy and it will heat the water. So this will come under a solar. Okay. The energies obtained from the sun are called solar energy. Most of our energy comes from sun, one form or another. Okay. Plant use solar energy to make a food in the green leaves. Okay. We get heat and light energy from the sun. The appliances like solar cooker, solar heater uses solar energy for cooking or eating. Okay, the main purpose, okay, the plant without sunlight it can't able to prepare the food, children. Even the water or oxygen, carbon dioxide, whatever it is in the atmosphere, without sunlight we can't able to prepare the food. Okay, so once the sunlight is there, then only it will be involving in a photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process is nothing but the plants will prepare their own food. It is called as a photosynthesis. This it will happen when the sunlight is present. Okay, using the sun energy, it can able to prepare their food. Okay. Also, I have mentioned here. So, one or other things we are getting from a sunlight energy. Appliances like solar cooker, using the solar energy we can prepare a food, and using the solar energy we can able to heat the water. Okay, so those it will come under a solar energy. I will repeat once again. Heat energy, the hot object or things it will take as a fuel. So it will come under a heat energy. Wind energy, using the wind flow we can able to generate the electricity with use of turbines, and also using the wind energy we can able to grind the grains. Okay, and water energy, from water also having more amount of energy, children. Okay, when the water will fall from the dam, no? So due to that pressure, even the turbines also it will run. Okay, using that we can able to take the electricity from the water. It is called as a hydroelectricity. And next one is the electrical energy. Using the electricity, we can use different types of items in our house like iron box, refrigerator, TV, radio. Okay, we can able to use different types of electrical items. So it will come under electrical energy. And the sound energy. So whenever the whenever the thunder will happen, no, based on that sound, this windows and the doors we can able to feel the vibration. Or whenever you are listening very heavy music using a loudspeaker or whatever it is, we can able to find the vibration inside our body. Some people they will be doing dance for that. Okay, and next is solar energy. Using the solar energy, the plants it will prepare their own food. It is called as a photosynthesis process. Also using the solar energy we can able to prepare using the solar cooker. Also we can able to heat the water using a solar panel. Okay, so these are the different types of solar energy. And next one we are going to see, that is muscular energy. Energy is stored in the muscle of human beings or animals are called muscular energy. For example, when we push, pull or lift the things, okay, whatever the energy is stored in our muscles that we are using. Okay, so it will be coming under a muscular energy. Okay, so this already have studied in forces also, the muscular force. Okay, the same thing here it is coming as a muscular energy, children. That's it. There is no difference between that. Okay, and next one we are going to see conversion of energy. How we can convert electrical energy into a heat energy. Okay, that we are going to study. Here the first one, the person is pressing calling bell, okay, doorbell. When they will press the button, so there it is a electric energy it is produced over there. The wires and all will get converted over there. Then it will convert into a sound energy. So that is a conversion of energy. Already it will be an electric energy, that it will be converted into a different type of energy. It is called as a conversion. From from one place to another place, the thing it has to get the energy, so it is called as a conversion of energy. Energy can be converted by a changing the one form of to another. A doorbell convert electric energy into a sound energy, the doorbell example. And next, electric energy to mechanical energy, the fans, whatever the ceiling fan or table fan, whatever we are using, okay, so it will convert electric energy into a mechanical energy. So that's how we will be getting a proper air circulation over there. Okay, and next one, using electric energy we can get a light energy. Example, bulb. Whenever you want to switch on the bulb, okay, it will touch the electric socket, you will on the electricity, that electricity will convert into a light energy. Okay, and next one we are going to see electric energy will convert into a heat energy. How? Whenever you want to on the iron box, okay, the electric energy will convert as a heat energy. That's how we can able to iron the cloth. Here example is iron pots. And next, fifth one, that is mechanical energy will convert into a electrical energy. Okay, so we will be having a electric cell, right? So inside this cell we can able to see yellow color powder will be there, that is nothing but a chemical. Okay, so whenever you want to use a cell, what it will do, this chemical energy it will give a electric energy. Whenever you are using a TV remote, okay, when you press the button, okay, it should get energy, right? It will get energy from electric bulb. Electric bulb, it is having a chemical energy. That chemical energy it will convert into a electricity. Then it will convert into a electrical energy. That's how we can able to operate. Okay, so these are the conversion of energy, children. And next one we are going to see saving energy. Electrical energy is used for many purposes. A large amount of fossil fuels it is used to producing the electrical energy. Okay, and we can able to reduce the use of electricity, or it will be indirectly saving us this fossil fuels. Okay, so whenever we are using a certain energy, okay, we are not supposed to use for a certain limit. Okay, we have to use how much we are required. So remaining energy we have to save it. Okay, for example, you are not simply you can take your two-wheeler and you want to go for a ride. The petrol it is getting wasted. Okay, so that is also one of the fuel energy. Okay, also whenever you are leaving from your room, you have to switch off your fan and lights, then you have to leave from a room. So like this we can able to save electric energy. And first one, switch off the fan light when you leave for a room. Whenever you are going to leave for a room, you have to switch on the fan or a light, then you have to leave a room. And next one, switch off a television, heater, cooler, air conditioner and computer when it is not in a use. So before going to a bath, you have to on the geyser, then you have to go for a bath. Okay, not like 1 hour before only you have on the switch and you will be waiting and you will be watching TV. You are not supposed to do that. Okay, so whenever you are watching the TV, you have to on it, and whenever you are going out of that place, you have to switch off your TV. Okay, next, climb on the stairs instead of lift. Okay, so we have to climb the steps. Okay, so that it will be helpful for your muscular activity also. Okay, instead of going in a lift, we can be able to use a stairs. And next one is wear additional sweater or a coat instead of using heater in the cold days. So whenever the winter season will be there, it will come, no, they will be using a room heater. Instead of using that room heater, we can wear the sweater or extra coat or blanket and we can sleep nicely. Okay, and next one, use CFL and LED bulb instead of electric bulbs that consume lot of electric energy. This LCD and LED bulbs will be there. No, it will be taking only little amount of electric energy and it will convert into a light energy. So that is the reason we have to use LED lights more. Okay, it will save the electricity. Okay, here they have given 2 more points you can write, or 1 point only you can write, children won't use. Okay, we should use solar energy. There you can write we should use solar energy. There they have given 2 lines, right? So there we can use solar energy instead of electricity. So that's how we can able to save electricity. Okay, so right there we should use solar energy. Okay, so write this point over there, children. So next we'll move on for a textbook exercise. This A main answer the following questions. This answers I am going to send it in a UNO. So everyone has to refer your UNO and make sure you have to complete your classwork. Now we'll move on for a next main. So now everyone take out page number 170. We'll move on for a B main. So that is fill in the blanks. Okay, the first one, the force applied by the magnet or cord dash. They are given option there, magnetic force and mechanical force. That option answer is magnetic force. Right, first one, magnetic force. And second one, the dash is ability or a capacity of a body to work. Okay, so the energy will be able to do a work. Next, third one, solar cooker derives energy from the sun. The solar cooker, where it is getting the energy? It is getting energy from sun. Right answer as the sun. Okay, and fourth one, electricity produced by capturing of energy of flowing water is known as dash. Flowing water we can able to get a hydroelectricity. Right answer, hydroelectricity. Next is fifth one, dash is a simple mission. We can write lever as a simple mission. Okay. Copy down rightly, children. You have to use pencil and you have to write. Next we'll move on for a C main. So that is true or false. The first one, when the ball is thrown upwards, it comes down due to a gravitational force. Yes, this statement is true. So we have to write T in the box. And second one, bottle opener can be a good example of inclined plane. No, inclined plane, it is used for whatever the heavy box or heavy load will be there from the lower surface to upper surface. If you want to carry that, then we can use that inclined plane. Okay, so you are using a bottle opener, so the inclined plane it won't use. So here you have to mention false. Okay, and third one, in scientific terms, mental works is taken as an award valid of work. So next third question is, in a scientific terms, mental work is taken as a valid type of work. So that is the statement is false. The fourth one, the sun is one of the main source of energy on the earth. Yes, sun energy is one of the main source of our earth. And fifth one, the heat energy is directed obtained from the sun. The heat obviously yes we are getting from a sun. Okay. Next we'll move on for a D main. So that is match the following. First one, water energy. For that answer you can able to see from the water energy we can get hydroelectricity. For first one you can see in C there is a first question answer. That is hydroelectricity. There you have to mention number 1. For second question, drawing water from a well. Okay, it is a one of a mechanical force. Next to D, you have to mention number 2. Next, burning petrol. So it will be coming under the heat energy. So in E, you can able to find out the heat energy. Okay, next fourth one. Vibrating windows. The vibrating windows, it will come under sound energy. So next to D main you have to mention number 4. Next to B1 you have to mention number 4. And next is fifth one, wind energy. To that wind energy, windmill is the answer. So next to A you have to mention number 5. Okay. Write neatly, children. Don't make any mistake. I will be checking in interactive session. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.